This is Gemini Robotics ER2, Google DeepMind's new AI model. Look at that! That's amazing! You go, boy. I like it. So think of this as a brain that can sit inside any other robot. You take it out, you pop it in somewhere else. Now let's think about how a robot used to work. It used to look at something, figure out what to do that one thing, and then stop completely before figuring out the next step. So essentially it was a look, plan, move, stop, look, plan, move, stop. That constant stopping is why robots have always looked so stiff and awkward and really bizarre. They were never really fluid and flowed. ER2 actually does both at once. So it will watch a live video feed, reason about what's actually happening, and hand the instructions to the robot's body in real time whilst the robot is still moving. And best of all, it actually tracks its own progress mid-task, so it can catch a mistake like a spill or a missed grip and then corrects itself without having to start over. And here's a really strange fact for you. Teaching a robot to actually tie a knot in a rubbish bag turned out to be much harder than actually teaching one to do a backflip. A backflip is a routine. You memorize it once and then replay it forever. But a rubbish bag bends differently every single time you grab it. And Google DeepMind's robot actually executes that perfectly. And here's my favorite bit. They built in some new safety features that were named after Isaac Asimov's 3 laws of robotics, which most of you probably know from the movie I, Robot with Will Smith. It's one of my favorite movies. So the first law, a robot may not injure a human being or through inaction allow a human being to come to harm. The second law, a robot must obey the orders given it by human beings, except where such orders would conflict with the first law. And the third, a robot must protect its own existence as long as such protection does not conflict with the first or second law. So at least we know there are some guardrails in place there. And this doesn't stop at one robot. Google's got different robots, wheeled, legged, humanoid. All of them can actually talk to each other and help split up the same job into different parts. So this isn't a single robot. It's a brain that any robot can borrow. So bravo to Google DeepMind, because this is game changing for the entire industry. Let me know your thoughts. And do you think these 3 laws are actually going to help protect us? Because the I, Robot movie, that didn't happen. Peace.